What if I told you that with just 3 simple AI tools, anyone, yes, even beginners, can start making real money online fast in 2025? No technical skills, no big budget, just smart tools working for you. In this video, I'll reveal how ChatGPT, Designs.ai, and Remove.bg can help you create, design, and sell digital products or services from home, step by step. Ready to start your AI-powered side hustle today? Let's dive in. First up, we have ChatGPT, the AI brain that can literally become your personal writing assistant, business partner, and creative team, all in one. Imagine being able to write blog articles, create product descriptions, design email campaigns, or even craft social media posts in minutes, not hours. Let's say you want to start a side hustle selling ebooks on Amazon Kindle. With ChatGPT, you can give it a prompt like write a 5,000-word guide on home organization for busy parents and it will instantly generate high-quality content for you. The best part? You don't need to be a writer. You just review the draft, make small edits, and publish it, saving you time and effort. And it's not just for books. Freelancers are using ChatGPT to offer services like blog writing, YouTube script creation, ad copywriting, and more, all without expensive software or years of training. Whether you want to make extra income or scale a small business, ChatGPT gives you the power to do it faster, cheaper, and smarter than ever before. Next up is Designs.ai, a powerful AI design platform that lets you create logos, social media posts, videos, and more, without any design experience. What makes Designs.ai stand out is its smart AI assistant that suggests design elements, colors, and fonts, making your projects look professional in minutes. Whether you want to launch a digital product, build a brand, or offer design services on Fiverr or Etsy, this tool makes it easy and fast. For example, you can create a stunning Instagram post by selecting a template, adding your text, and letting the AI suggest perfect visuals to match your message. Plus, Designs.ai supports video creation, perfect if you want to make marketing clips or social media reels without expensive software or skills. They offer a free trial to get you started, and affordable paid plans if you want to unlock more features. This tool is ideal for anyone wanting to turn creativity into cash, quickly and simply. Our third tool is Remove.bg, an incredibly fast AI background remover that can instantly isolate any subject from a photo with just one click. This tool is a game changer for online sellers, graphic designers, and social media managers. Imagine you take a product photo on your phone, but the background is messy. With Remove.bg, you can erase it in seconds and replace it with a clean, professional look. The AI is so accurate that it even handles hair strands, transparent objects, and complex edges without manual editing. You can also use it to create profile pictures, YouTube thumbnails, or e-commerce product images that look like they were shot in a studio. And here's the best part, you can batch process multiple photos at once, saving you hours of editing. Whether you're flipping products on eBay, creating ad creatives, or just want flawless images, Remove.bg is the time-saving tool you'll love. And that's it, 3 powerful AI tools you can start using today to earn money online without any special skills. Whether you're editing photos, creating content, or automating your work, the opportunities are endless if you just start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Here on Earnside, we share simple, practical money-making guides every single week. Your online side hustle starts now.